Hi everyone, this is Mike here with Computer Cuisine Deluxe 7.0. I wanted to make this video on the new web import button that I've added to Computer Cuisine Deluxe 7. And it's actually a pretty powerful tool for grabbing recipe information from two of the largest websites on the entire internet. And they are allrecipes.com and epicurious.com. Now, if you're a fan of these websites, you're in luck because I am as well. And this will allow you to, in one step, pull all that recipe information into Computer Cuisine Deluxe and store that recipe in your collection. So in past videos, I have a separate video on how to copy and paste information from any website via a web browser. And that works, and it's very convenient. It's very easy. It's just that there is some copying and pasting that you need to do. You have to have two windows open, and some people may want it even easier, and I agree with them. So I wanted to go ahead and make allrecipes.com in particular one that you can just click a button, import that entire recipe, and it will be added to your collection. So how does it work? Everything that you need about this recipe is listed right here in the exact web link or web page for this recipe. That is all you're going to need to copy and bring into Computer Cuisine Deluxe. Now, all you need to do is go into your web browser. I'm using Chrome on the Mac, and select all, then select copy. Now, you may notice that it doesn't say www or http and such. Well, it's just that a lot of modern web browsers like Chrome don't actually display that information anymore to be a little bit more simplistic. But by all means, when you copy, I'm going to right click this time just to show you, when you copy that URL or you copy it, it will include the full information in there, so don't be alarmed. Okay, so now we have the exact link for yummy honey chicken kebabs. So we're going to go to Computer Cuisine Deluxe and click on the web import button. Now it's going to ask you for that full web link that you copied from either allrecipes.com or epicurious.com. You're going to click on the white box and you're going to select paste. Okay, we've now pasted in that URL. So all that's left is to simply click go. We click go, and you'll notice that recipe 1001 in our collection is now, our collection has 1002 because Computer Cuisine Deluxe automatically created a new recipe. It then imported all the information from allrecipes.com about this particular recipe into your collection. That includes the photo, includes the recipe name, the ingredients, the directions, and everything. Also, it included the prep time and cook time. And as an added feature in the notes area, it also pulled that exact web link as your source website. So in the future, if you'd ever choose to go back to this exact web page, you just need to click on the little globe, and that will take you right here to this web page. It's very easy, very convenient, and I think people are going to like it because I sure like it, and I'm a big fan of allrecipes.com. So it's great to add these recipes to your collection in an easy way where you don't even have to cut and paste anymore. Now the same process works for epicurious.com. I want to point out that epicurious.com does have some little oddities in the way they format recipes. Like, for example, you may see some that have 3 bullet points, and then I don't know why they have 4 returns here, and then 2 more bullet points, and there's just a blank area. Certain recipes they format a bit strangely, so you may need a little bit of cleanup when it's brought into Computer Cuisine Deluxe, but essentially it's going to work just fine. So we're going to do the same process for epicurious.com by just selecting that URL, going and selecting copy, going back, and remember we have 1002 recipes here. Keep a note of that. We're going to go to that web import section, select the box, and hit paste. Once we do that, we're going to click off and select go. And as you can see, the sticky toffee pudding recipe has now been brought into Computer Cuisine Deluxe. It's grabbed the photo, it's grabbed the ingredients, and it's also grabbed the entire method. It's a pretty long method, and it's got everything, so you didn't have to type any of that, and you were able to just pull that in one nice click. And lastly, you can see that now we have 1003 recipes because it's added that to the collection. So I highly recommend you take advantage of this web import feature for if you're a fan of either Epicurious or allrecipes.com. It's really easy, really simple. I'm just going to go ahead and do one more just to show you. Hearty vegetable lasagna. It's a pretty good looking recipe. Excellent reviews. Go over to the web, select paste, click off and select go. And there you have it. That's it. It's very simple, and I have a feeling people are really going to enjoy this new feature in Computer Cuisine Deluxe 7.0. Thanks.